been asked by installer to go up and showcase an idea, the little widget that I came up with, the 2019 installer show. So I'm going up there. The way it came about was I posted a picture of it on Twitter, and a whole load of people that followed me. Sorry, there's a lady not going forward. Anyway, destroying my life. So I'm going up there in a couple of days. In the meantime, I've had to make a whole load of these widgets to take up with me, and that's the long and the short of it. So you'll see me in a minute making some of the widget parts of them and having to dash up to Coventry. There's also a little bit of a section where I have a chat to some of the other exhibitors there, Tesla UK, and a couple of others. I just didn't get a chance to have a look around the show myself. It was manic. The whole thing was very rushed, so sorry I didn't get a chance to sort of pinpoint a lot of the particular exhibitors, but I just didn't get a chance. I was up at 4 AM up there doing the whole show thing. Anyway, it is what it is. Let's go to work. So here I am in my shed, guys. This isn't what I normally do, as you all well know, but I came up with this valve fitting, and a lot of people on Twitter and that follow me asked me would I make some, and they wanted them, so that's what I'm doing. So as you can see, I've got everything all set up. I'm trying to cut these, and I've got all of these. I have no idea how many I've got and how many I'll have for the show, but I'm trying to get them all ready. So this is another day in the life of a plumber. Anyway, good luck, and hopefully I'll see you, or I've seen you at the show. By the time you see this, it'll probably be after, so we'll see. Anyway, good luck. So this is us cutting. Next. Well, this is it being milled, so that's the bit where it's got the funny sort of gripping material on it that it's going to go in. So this whole process takes quite a while, so hence why, you know, I'm not giving these away.
Hi guys, I'm the Dr. Pipe stand down at installing, just going to look at the products.
Okay, so here we've got a drain down adapter widget, screws onto valence, glowworm and a few others. Widget goes onto the threaded part, screws on,
We can see the problem now, we'll have a look into it.
put your hose onto it, simple as that. Here's one here with the tube, with the adapter, linked to a pressure pump. Now you can introduce inhibitors and repressurize low pressure systems.
Brilliant.
Your widget.
Cheers.
No worries. That's it.
Can I have one?
Yeah. Yeah, no worries.
No, that's fine, and I need to catch up with you.
This is an introduction onto the Tesla site. Anyway, here's an introduction to their stuff, a couple of new products, and one new product, their immersion heater, and also a couple of oldies, but goodies.
How's it going, mate? You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we manufacture
manufacture gas hoses at our facility in Midland.
Right.
So
These are the 20-year guarantee ones or something.
25-year guarantee, yeah. So the black hose, if you ever install one of those, we're the only manufacturer.
Love it. Love simple.
Our immersion range.
Got that. Blow off.
That was on the print stand last year.
Was it?
Yeah.
Was it? How was it received?
Received really well.
And these are your...
Standish.
Got it, yeah.
Allows...
Plenty of volume through?
Yep.
Loads.
18 litres on the 22.
Right.
Rated up to 25 litres on the 32.
Right. Yeah.
So you got the test rig going, showing the flow through.
Right.
So on off.
Yep.
You can put it on your phone, so you can control it on your phone.
Okay, right.
So just turning it up and down, you don't actually have to go in and measure it with the stats.
Cool.
Then you got different functions. So you got eco function,
Right.
which just sits there like a normal immersion meter. Then you've got the smart function, so it learns. If there's a problem with smart function, my point of view is if you got a week, you work for say 6 months, and then you have a holiday, then you might run out of hot water.
Yeah.
But
you can
it's a
control it
function.
off your phone, so
Yeah,
you're good to go. Yeah.
Then you also got a timer, so you can program it, so you can let it come on at 7 o'clock in the morning and then go off.
So it's all built
9,
into
10.
there. So
It's all built in.
wow.
So all you have to do is you put your normal free core wire to it, and you're done.
Done. Different lengths.
Yeah, different
All
lengths,
available.
and it's also going to be for unvented, so you can go into your old copper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So underneath here is just a plug-in stuff. I'll show you. In a
When's
minute.
it available?
Well, there's still a bit of tinkering with the
Okay.
app and stuff like that. So next 3 months.
Yeah.
Well, again, it's going to be gauged today on market
Yeah,
feedback.
we want
Okay.
today to make or break this for
Right.
us.
Public disclaimer on all of this. I don't get paid at all for endorsements or anything. I pay for all of the equipment that I use, pay for my van, pay for everything. So anything that I promote is just my own personal opinion. Take it or leave it, it's just my opinion. And I have opinions, as we all do, so whether we like this particular tool, whether we don't like it, if I think that there's something that's of benefit to people, then I'll promote it. If I don't, and I haven't tested it or something like that, I will make full disclaimer to it. So just let's get that out of the way. ATAG's idea is simple. If you want to purchase the boiler, they only sell to gas safe registered engineers. They don't sell to merchants. They don't do any of that. So directly you're weeding out an awful lot of people that could potentially buy this boiler just by mere fact of them walking into a merchant and buying it, even the general public. So I'm a great advocate of that particular idea. I've been bashing on about getting the only people to be able to buy boilers and gas appliances are gas safe engineers. A chap called Oliver was the guy on the day, and this is what happened. Take a look at the product and tell me what you think. Leave your comments. Thanks a lot. Imagine that's cut in half, sliced through. So we've got an aluminium section that bolts to this clearly. Combustion is through there and it slowly dissipates through there.
Exactly.
Trying to find its way
So
through.
it's
So
got
larger diameter up here.
Different levels
smaller.
of heating,
Right.
different stages.
Okay. ATAG. So you want to show me how to strip it down or do some bits?
This is on the 4th year of the service. You have to do this. I'd just like to demonstrate this to guys because it is one of the easiest to open up. So I've got these unusual looking bolts.
Oh wow.
Have a look at those there.
Okay.
And you'd undo your gas.
Yep.
You take the second bolt out. You take your plugs off your fan, which I've normally got pre-done, but for the video, you can do that. And then that's it, basically, you're in.
And this is on a 4th year.
You have to change the seal. The seal's about £8.
Okay.
It comes with this seal, it comes with the seal under the burner, and it also comes with a seal for the non-return valve in the fan.
Which is, so you got your electrodes, your rectification, and all the bits and pieces there.
Funny enough, you mentioned the electrodes. They're actually quick release.
One is anti.
Exactly. So they're both opposite. They go in pretty easy. I mean, I'm very experienced doing it. I do it 2 or 3 times a day. So IC24.
IC24. Okay. And this one over here is the bigger version. This is the working van.
Yeah, the
with
economizer.
the
That's right.
And this has got the boiler plus compliance stuff in it.
So it's basically what we call a flue gas recovery unit. Basically, just recycles heat from the heat exchanger into the recovery unit, and then you see your mains is going through it. So the mains will pass through it before it gets to the plate.
Okay.
It will just bump the mains
temperature up.
Another great benefit is a lot of combis suffer in the winter when the outside temperature water coming in is really cold. This boiler doesn't suffer with that.
So on here we got our pressure release valve, flow turbine, easy access. We all want to see water pressure sensor. So
I'll take this one out.
yeah, let's have a quick look at this one.
It's got a nice big, so this just unscrews with an O-ring. Yeah, they're usually hand tight. Every now and then you might need to get a grip on it.
I've never had to.
Nice big hole.
Yeah, we don't get many issues with those at all. We have the combined PRV and the condense, which, believe it or not, on installation saves a hell of a lot of time.
Yeah, it does it. And this is our condense trap, so we just pull that out for your annual service.
That's it, and it's one of the easiest to get out.
Right. Okay.
To get into the guts of the boiler,
Yep.
you press the 2 outside buttons,
Press and hold.
press and hold. About 6 or 7 seconds. You'll be met with a code.
Okay.
Our engineer's code is James Bond. It's probably one of the easiest to wire up. It comes on a fly lead, so you get your live, neutral and earth already there.
Okay.
This is your high voltage connection, so this is your controls out, and then
Yep.
your switch live back in at the bottom. If you wanted to go high voltage, you'll be using that one there.
Yep.
Well, you can get fancy as well. You can go open firm, so that's your nests and stuff like that.
Yep.
Or you can go low voltage in the same one, so if you wanted a low voltage controller. Or you can use our proprietary one, which is eBus.
Right.
And
Okay.
that's our one controller and that kind of stuff.
Nobody's doing a heat calculation, they're just basically just going, rule of thumb, I need a 24 kilowatt. My house, 3-bed Victorian terrace house, so it leaks like a sieve. Yeah. Done a heat loss calculation on mine, 4.76 kilowatts is the requirement. You can't even buy a boiler like that. What gets me is the joined up thinking is not there. You've got your best selling boiler on the market at the moment is a 30 kilowatt combi. Your best selling air source heat pump is 10 kilowatt. Why is no one doing the joined up thinking? Because they both heat the same property.
Use the app or your phone, Android or iOS, Apple, and you can be anywhere in the world taking a survey, and you can have multiple surveyors, and they'll press the send button and it gets sent straight to the person in the office, and they can spend like 5 minutes going through the report, just confirming what building materials have been used, what rooms, what design temperatures are used, external temperatures have used. So, and then it creates a PDF report which can then be sent to the client as well.
Right.
So there's that PDF report is really important, particularly for MCS purposes. And MCS is the standard which is for air source and ground source heat pumps.